Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Ergotron LX Pro Premium Dual Monitor Arm. If you're battling a cluttered desk and dual monitors, this might be your ergonomic savior. This isn't just a monitor stand. It's an investment in your workspace and well-being. The LX Pro supports two monitors up to 27 inches each, with a weight capacity of 4 to 20 pounds per monitor. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that blends well with most setups. Right out of the box, the build quality is impressive. The aluminum construction feels incredibly sturdy, promising years of reliable use. Setting up the Ergotron LX Pro is surprisingly straightforward. The desk mount is easy to install, and the included instructions are clear and concise. Within minutes, the arm was securely attached to the desk, ready to hold the monitors. The Visa compatibility ensures that most monitors will fit without any issues. Once the monitors are mounted, the real magic begins. The LX Pro offers a wide range of adjustments. You can effortlessly tilt, pan, and rotate your monitors to find the perfect viewing angle. The height adjustment is smooth and precise, allowing you to align your monitors perfectly for optimal ergonomics. One of the standout features of the LX Pro is its cable management system. Integrated channels keep your cables organized and out of sight, contributing to a cleaner and more professional-looking workspace. No more tangled wires cluttering your desk. The Ergotron LX Pro isn't the cheapest dual monitor arm on the market, but the quality and functionality justify the price. It's a premium product designed for users who demand the best. If you spend long hours at your desk, the ergonomic benefits and increased productivity will quickly pay for themselves. Compared to other monitor arms, the LX Pro stands out for its exceptional build quality, smooth adjustments, and thoughtful design. It's a significant upgrade over basic monitor stands and offers a level of flexibility and convenience that's hard to match. In conclusion, the Ergotron LX Pro Premium Dual Monitor Arm is a top-tier product that delivers on its promises. It's well-built, easy to install, and offers a wide range of adjustments to optimize your workspace. If you're looking for the best dual monitor arm on the market, the LX Pro is definitely worth considering. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about ergonomics and productivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.